Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is green color, here is purple color, red color, parrot color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, and the last one is blue color. Now let's color the Christmas tree. How many Christmas trees can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 Christmas trees.